How you doing, guys? Stephen from Beyond Performance 4x4. On almost a daily basis, we are contacted about replacing the timing chains on 2-litre Ingenium engines. So much so that we thought we'd make an informative video as to how that process works. This vehicle has actually just been through the procedure, so we thought we'd document it and share it with you. So what we've done is we've taken off the gearbox and we can see the upper timing chain, which is stretched. We can see the lower timing chain, which is also stretched. And then the next thing we always look for is the plastic guides. Sometimes they have cracked and broken or are extremely worn, and we will replace those. We have the variable valve sprocket, and that's always changed. Generally, you will sometimes see a bolt come out of those there, and the bolt's actually cracked, so that's changed as well. Now that the engine's locked, what we do is we remove the 2 timing chains, we remove the plastic guides, we replace the hydraulic tensioners, and then retime the engine. So what actually goes into your vehicle? Well, as you can see, we're using genuine Land Rover parts. You've got your upper and lower chains, and they're superseded, of course. You also have your upgraded drive chain idler. And then we come down to the guides. The plastic guides then are fitted various guides. You have your solenoid VVT unit. The VVT unit isn't absolutely essential, but in our experience, it's a vital part of your timing system there, and it's really false economy because they can give problems there. False economy not to actually put this in. Coming along, you've got your lower oil seal and various gaskets. So as an owner, what can you do about this? There's 2 options. The first thing is, I would recommend having regular oil changes with the vehicle and also listening to the vehicle on a daily or weekly basis in case you actually hear any additional noises coming from the front end. In that case, just give us a wee buzz. The second option there is if you're more cautious and you want to be proactive about it and really reduce the chance of the timing chain snapping, would be to actually give us a call. We'll change the timing chains for you. We'll change the ancillaries for you. You'll know where you're at with the vehicle. We'll sign your service book. You'll get an invoice from us, which will also help the resale of the vehicle.